Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Meditate and elevate, Ya Mon. River flow from holy ground, Zion water heal profound, wash away the earth and pain, make the soul feel whole again. Every drop a song of peace, every wave make hate decrease. Come ye thirsty, drink and live. River of Zion always give, from spring to stream to mighty sea. River of Zion set we free. River of Zion, pure and wide, carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion make we whole. Every day, in sun or rain, River of Zion heal again. From the mountain top it start, flow right through the people heart. No drought, no dam can hold, Zion river pure as gold. Children bathe, the elders sing, river bring Jah blessing. Day and night it never cease, water flow with perfect peace. From age to age it always stay. River of Zion show the way. River roll eternal stream, carry forth Jah righteous stream. Life forever, love remain. River wash away the pain, every soul can find a place. River flow with Jah grace. River of Zion, pure and wide, carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion make we whole. From age to age it flow divine. River of Zion forever shine, from dawn to dusk, both near and far. River of Zion, who we are. River of Zion, River of Zion. River of Zion, River of Zion, River of Zion, River of Zion, River of Zion.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, Ya Mon. See the fire on the mountain rise, blaze of truth light up the skies. No more dark, no hidden light. Zion flame make Babylon Mountain rise with light so clear. Fire of Zion always near. No storm, no flood, no wall of stone can dim the fire Jah own. Fire on the mountain burning strong. Light of Zion all night long. Flame of freedom, flame of love. Fire shine from high above. Forever blaze, forever true. Jah fire carry me and you. Generation to generation flame. Zion fire call your name. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, Ya Mon. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, Ya Mon. Ay, 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 Ya Mon.
Bada bim, bada bim. Whoa, oh kushina me lung ya man.
Rise up, children of Jah. Morning light break the law. Babylon wall can't stand. Zion lion guard the land. Hear the roar inna the drum. Rasta know the king of it come. Strength of root, fire of flame. Every heart chant your name. Me see the banner rise so tall. One roar for freedom for all. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people cross land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forever strong, forever true. Lion of Zion, carry you. Ancient word in a modern time. Truth still shine, mountain climb. Youth man hold the torch so high. Zion lion, never die. Every roar a holy song. Carry the weak, make them strong. One love on a wave so tall. Just salvation for all. From desert sun to ocean shore. Zion lion roar once more. Roar, roar, hear the thunder call. Lion of Zion, protect we all. Truth stand firm like solid stone. Never leave Jah throne. Echo loud in heart and sky. Lion of Zion, never die. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people cross land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forevermore, the lion lead. Plant of love, righteous seed. Lion of Zion, stand so tall. One roar of love for all. paper, yeah, man. Roots dig deep in sacred ground. Every heartbeat, reggae sound. Freedom grow like ancient tree. Branches stretch to set we free. Babylon storm can break the root. Zion strong with holy fruit. Every leaf reggae, yeah man. Built with stone of living word, temple of Zion, voices heard. No man hand could raise so high. Temple built by Jah Most High. It stand forever, never fall. Holy temple fi all call. Every prayer a sacred sound. Temple bless the holy ground. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. It glow with fire, glow with flame. Temple call Jah holy name. It rise above the earth below. Temple where the faithful go. It bless the elder, guide the youth. Temple shine the way of truth. Every stone a prayer of song. Temple stand both firm and long. Me walk inside, me heart at peace. Temple chant just sweet release. No war inside, no hate, no fight. Temple shine with holy light. It heal the sick, it feed the poor. Temple open every door. Forever strong, forever sure. Temple of Zion standing pure. It echo sound of Nyabingi. Temple call for unity. It lift the soul, it lift the hand. Temple bless the holy land. It guard the humble, guard the meek. Temple truth the people seek. Forever shining, never dim. Temple sing Jah holy hymn. When the trumpet call at last, temple stand from future past. It welcome righteous, welcome true. Temple always calling you. No wicked plan can break the wall. Temple of Jah stand for all. Love eternal, truth inside. Temple of Zion never hide. Step in the low. Temple of Zion blessings flow. No chain, no hate can close the gate. Temple of Jah forever great. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. From first stone to endless day. Temple of Zion always stay. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, Ya Mon. Flowing pure from holy ground. River of Zion, sweet sound. Cool stream, a holy song. Every wave, the righteous strong. It healed the wounded, blessed the poor. River open every door. From source to sea, it never cease. River of Zion, carry peace. Me drink the water, me soul restored. River flow from Ganja Lord. No poison there, no bitter taste. River flow with love and grace. It guide the children, guide the youth. River shining with the truth. No drought can stop, no chain can bind. River bless both heart and mind. It shine like silver in the night. River glow with holy light. It call the people, call them home. River say no more to roam. It bless the elder, bless the meek. River truth is what we seek. Forever strong, forever near. River of Zion, flowing clear. When the trumpet call again, river wash away the pain. It rise eternal, never dry. River flow beneath the sky. From Zion peak to ocean wide. River carry holy guide. Love eternal, peace divine. River of Jah forever shine. Flow high, flow deep. River of Zion, blessings keep. No dam, no wall can stop the wave. River of Jah forever safe. River of Zion flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. From mountain spring to ocean shore. River of Zion flow evermore.
Aye, 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 smoker. Kush with Zion, Reggae, Ya Mon. Before the sun peek over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder on the stone. Chant and reason bout Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away, reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya Bingi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Me step through fields where flowers grow, smell the breeze and feel it blow. Children laugh, the elders cheer. Morning blessings everywhere. Me share me fruit with neighbor true. Pass on Jah love in all we do. From little seed to towering tree. Morning in Zion set we free. Before the noon me lift me song. We keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta, never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell the story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. From sunrise till the day is gone. Morning in Zion still live on.
Reggae, Ya Mon. This are the chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed. Love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside. Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity come draw near. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love are wear the royal crown. Me chant for the farmer inna the field. Pray Jah bless the crop and yield. Me chant for the youth them inna the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the air with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jaja blessings always here. Even when the war drum play, me chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land. Planting love with every hand.
nation, every tongue, sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant for the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time, me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun set in a west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray for Jah mercy before too late. Me chant for the elder, wise and kind. Me chant for the lost, fi help them find. Me chant for the mother with newborn child. Me chant for the wilderness running wild. Every word a arrow through, piercing lies with Jah light too. Chant high, chant low, like river, it must flow. Carry hope, carry peace, till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun, chant for the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name, chant for the people just the same. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon walls soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep, Jaja love we always keep.
Na 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 na. Zion reggae. Deep inna the valley where the green hills meet, flow a river pure and sweet. From Zion mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away the dark of night. Every drop a holy sign. River of Zion forever shine. River of Zion flow on free, carry Jah love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live, all the healing it can give. Me walk along the river bend, feel Jah spirit like a friend. He tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion sign. When drought come try fi crack the land, river still strong by Jah hand. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the flow, Zion river always know. It find a way through rock and sand, spread Jah love across the land. Me feel me come blessing on me lip. It cool me mind, it calm me soul, make me spirit pure and whole. River whisper, child don't fear, Jaja kingdom drawing near. Every tide a sacred beat, like Naya Bingil drum so sweet. From morning light till setting sun, River of Zion still a run. It carries song from shore to shore, calling people to love once more. Me see the elder staff in hand, bless the water and bless the land. River run till time is true, flow with love so pure and true. Flow high, flow low, through the hills and valleys slow. Bring life, bring peace, till all the sorrow cease. No chain, no gate, no wall can stop the Zion River call. River of Zion, flow and free, carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live, all the healing it can give. From mountain top to ocean deep, River of Zion we always keep.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja leave Ya Mon. Ay, 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 ay. Narrow road but shining clear, path of Zion draw me near. No wicked walk, no liar tread, only righteous soul is led. It wind through valley, climb the hill, path of Jah is holy still. Every step a chant a prayer, path of Zion take me there. Path of Zion straight and true, guide me spirit, guide me true. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah keep I strong. It glow at night, it shine at dawn. Path of Zion never gone. It lead the youth, it lead the old. Path more precious than fine gold. It break the chain, it heal the heart. Path of Jah, a holy start, forever shining, never lost. Path of Zion, bear no cost. Me walk alone, me walk with friend. Path of Zion, never end. It bless the humble, bless the meek. Path of truth, all people seek. It call the soul, it call the name. Path of Jah, forever same. Every step a holy song. Path of Zion keep me strong. It rise above the dust and fire. Path of Zion lift me higher. It guard the children, guard the land. Path made true by Jah hand. It shine with hope, it shine with peace. Path of love will never cease. Forever bright, forever sure. Path of Jah, forever pure. When the trumpet sound again, path of Zion still remain. It lead the faithful, lead the kind. Path of Jah, eternal mind. From earth to sky, from night to morn. step strong. Path of Zion lead along. No hate, no war can change the way. Path of Jah forever stay. Path of Zion straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me true. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah keep I strong. From first step to endless day. Path of Zion light the way. Aye, aye, aye. Reggae of Zion, King Ya Mon. Early morning dew pa me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light pon the inside. Me chant psalms from me hardcore. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love in Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Missy mountain, Missy valley. Me pass city and small alley. Some try test I throw me shade, but Jah give I strength. Me never afraid. Me humble like lion. Who know him power? Me rise like sun. Hour by hour, me reason with trees. Me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop of rain teach I something fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me, me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Me meet elders on me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all depend. Sacred ride, some slow, some quick. Some try hide, but truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. It's a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need
sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never cease. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb me guide. The chant me shield, me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when lost and blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me flow through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find your way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rasta man must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the path, and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay.
Ay, 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 ganja, 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 ganja is the medicine, ya man. Bassline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame. Burn illusion, call your name. Roots vibration in a eye bones. Me feel it deeper than sticks and stones. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency feel it strong. This are the heartbeats all along. Select a drop, the vinyl clean. Me close eyes, me start to dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin, but one blood true.
Babylon tried, divide with fear, but roots music bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The reading reveal universal truth. Me nah need tech or flashy screen, just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same in a dance hall or under tree. Me soul tune to the frequency, roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need to talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. Late night session, moonlight beam. Me skanking time to dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong enough fi make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Rhythm speak to the deepest soul. From trench town yard to African shore. Roots frequencies, open door. Jah in the echo, Jah in the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen keen and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need to talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. These are the heartbeats all along.
Deep meditation with Rasta. Ya Mon. Circle the virgin fire ablaze. Drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars we hold it tight. One drop make the spirit light. Me said it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link with me tell you true. In a this moment me feel brand new. When I talk about stress or pain, just rhythm ganja and rain. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. In a the circle life makes sense a while. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. Yes, we blaze the night till morning light. Smoke rise like prayer to sky, and me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life roots man reasoning. You don't need millions or gold chain. We riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. One time for the youth, them last. Two time for love that pay no cost. Three time for the roots man wait. Four time for live another day. Me not live for hype, not show. Me live for the people, the trees we grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah, so we praise for the herb, the star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade. Come together, no man afraid. One draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother said, child live clean and true. Me father said, praise Jah in all you do. Me elder said, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me not abuse, me use fi heal, fi balance heart and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One draw at the gateway fi everything. So come your friend, me open the gates. No time fi hate, no time fi wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it shine. This roots man love are truly divine. One draw, one love, we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it.
Nah, nah, nah. Me sip coconut and smoke Ganja, Ya Mon. Me close me eyes and me hear the drum. A ancient call say me time a fi come. Me born far away but me spirit know. Mama Africa, me ready fi go. Me feeling of the breeze in a sun so bright. You beating on me heart every day and night. Me roots they deep like baobab tree. Me soul set forward and me heart agree. The lion roar inside me mind. It tell me truth, me need to find. In a books, in a dreams, me see the land. Golden soil run through me hand. From Ethiopia to Ghana plain, me tears fall soft like African rain. Me not forget the blood, the pain, but now me chant joy again. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where me spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm, me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me see the youth them dancing a red earth clay. Me hear the elders reasoning about Rastafari way. Me sit with me drum, me sing with me soul. The people them vibrant, the culture bowl. Me eat ital from calabash ball. Me feel Jah fire start take control. The chant of freedom echo in breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart at ease. Me nah need the plane, me nah need the road. Jah guide me spirit, me drop the load. Every heartbeat is a step closer still to that sacred mountain, to that holy hill. The ancestors whisper in my ear, you never left, you always here. Africa not just a place on map, it's the rhythm inside every Rasta rap. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where my spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me light up chalice under starry dome. Give thanks for the place me call me home. Me sing to the moon, me talk to the tree. Me soul find unity, me finally free. In a market, me hear sweet songs. Drums and chants, we carry me long. Children laugh and elders pray.
Africa living a every reggae. So if you hear that call, don't hesitate. Open your heart and walk through the gate. The journey deep but the blessing real. Africa heal what Babylon steal. Zion echoes rise like a flame from Berlin to Cape Coast. We call your name. Back to mama where all life begin. Rasta anthem rise again with it. See ya the one that day. Said with it. See ya the one that day. Said with it.
Na 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 Saya Reggae, ya man. Inna the night when the silence speak, me light up herbs and me soul seek. Me sit pan rooftop on the moon. Dub rhythm chant a mystic tune. See the burn, the air get still. Me spirit travel, panja will. No phone, no screen, no fake distraction. Just heartbeat and natural action. Dub meditation, floating a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in the boys fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. Me close me eyes, me fly away through nebulae and Milky Way. Me reason with stars in a astral plane. Them whisper secrets fi ease me pain. Every echo tell me truth. Likewise elders speak to youth. Me see past time, me touch the light. Me come back strong, me soul upright. Dub meditation floating a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in the wise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. Not fi run from life, but fi sharpen mind like a knife. Me inhale truth, exhale lies. Me sit still and me overstand skies. No fear when you move in a wisdom. Dub shake wall like Jericho kingdom. Me chant, me drum, me grunt, me float. Me right bass line like righteous boat. Me link with ancestors through deep tone. In a dub me never feel alone. It's like rhythm, hold me tight. Guide me safe through darkest night. From root to crown, vibration climb. Me feel the pulse, me move in time. Dub a me temple, herb a me key. Jah open door, me spirit free. Dub meditation floating a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in the wise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. So if you're stressed, if your mind in pain, come sit with I in a dub refrain. No need for talk, no need for run. Just close your eyes and face the sun. Let the bass wash you like river. Let echo flow, make you deliver. One rhythm, one breath, one Jah